Hi everyone, it's Bliss, and I'm going to tell you about the Karcher pressure washer. So, it's a really good machine, which is so easy that I can use it. And so, I need my parents around with me. So, my mum and dad are just doing the video, and I'm going to start showing you the job. So now, look how dirty it is. And so we have to clean it. So I'm going to start cleaning. I've been cleaning the whole area, and now it's just bubbling with this dark water. So here, we need to clean it
So
more.
we can see that it's so much clean now, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, and if you just wash it, it'll be even cleaner. Let me help you, darling.
Okay.
Wow, a wonderful shiny cloth coming out,
Yeah.
and all the dirty stuff's like melting away.
And all the dirty water.
So how are you feeling after cleaning all that?
Good.
Is it a nice machine? You love doing it.
Yeah.
You want to say something else to your listeners?
Yeah. It's just that I really enjoy doing this cleaning work. We clean the front of our house because right now we're in our garden. So we're cleaning the front of our house, and we've done the whole flooring of the side near our next door neighbour. And I'm not sure if we've done the bricks, but we might get to that. So, well, this
So,
is part of
If you hold the
this.
camera, I'll show how it can work on the bricks. So come this side and put it on the brick. I'll show. You can use like this. Is it coming in the video?
Yeah.
I'll start now.
Look at this dirty water. There's water down the bricks.
Yeah. So let me. So you want to say something?
Yeah. It's that when I started with the bricks, I wasn't sure it's going to have all this dirtiness coming all the way down. And I wonder how we're going to reach all the way up there.
So bye guys. We'll keep on sharing more videos when we'll use the Karcher pressure washer.
And I really hope you get this. And just to remind you, it's from Costco. And I hope you enjoy it.